It was a cold morning and I received a call from John. He was a manager of a private estate. Karen, please help. A delivery truck had reversed into a street light. Not just a little bit. He had bent it over. So I popped in within about half an hour and I was able to get access to the access panel and disconnect the cables. Although at the base in the hatch, the power going to it was still live, but I managed to open it up, take out the safety fuse, switch the whole thing off, tape up all the junctions and all the cables going into it and make it safe. Barriers were put around the street light to stop anybody walking into it or trying to get access to it. A couple of weeks later we returned. Getting hold of a street light to replace you can get within about a week. But the customer wanted pricing and the cost and the similar style street light above. The original street light had mercury halide lights in it, which street lighting today are now LED, low energy. So what we did, we had to wait until the customer decided what street light they wanted, and I had two of my competent, experienced electricians to go in and install the new street light. We had to dig up at the base. We had to drop the pole over the cables very carefully, and we re-tarmacked round the bottom of the street light so it was as good as new, if not better. Thank you for watching. I trust that the video has been of help and of interest to you. Don't forget to like and also subscribe to our YouTube video channel and hit that little notification bell so you get told when we release future videos.